Halima, I hope you joined. You can hear me?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Okay, so now the fourth point. Okay, so fourth is aggregate demand causes the multiplier effect. Okay, so aggregate demand always causes the multiplier effect. That means, see, these are the components of aggregate demand. So whether the household sector will increase, like increase in consumption or increase in expenditure, or government sector, any of the component will increase, it will automatically lead to multiplier effect, that is forward effect. Okay, so you will write fourth point, aggregate demand cause multiplier effect, that is increase in component of AD brings multiplier, and these are the components of AD. And then you will write in simple words, increase in any component of AD will increase aggregate demand and vice versa. And after that, these are few formulas which you have to write it down, and on the basis of this formula we will solve few numericals today. Okay, so first write the fourth point and then I'll scroll it down.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Now write the formulas and then we'll start.
Okay.
Once you are done with the formula, what you will do, you have the previous notes, aggregate demand notes over there. You have some formulas, revise that as well, or you can write them over here itself. Okay, and after that we'll start with the numerical, because somewhere you will be needing AD, AS like that.
Done. Done, ma'am.
Okay, so now we will do some numericals. Okay. Um okay, before numerical, what you are supposed to do, I'm just giving you people 10 minutes. Okay, from aggregate demand itself, aggregate demand chapter, you have your notes, right? Just quickly just read it. Why? Because if things, of course, aggregate demand, we did it like I think last month, so of course things are not fresh to you. So just quickly revise it, and the rest of the 30 minutes we will be only solving numericals. Okay, start with aggregate demand chapter, and after that this chapter which we are doing, and then once you are done, like I'm just giving you 10 minutes for that. Is it fine?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Done, girls?
Done. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's just start with the numerical. Okay. Wait a minute. Numerical. Okay. You can see my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So over here, first of all, you have to write what is given, and accordingly you will apply. You have the formulas. Okay. So over here, see this question. Estimate the value of X ante AD. Okay. When autonomous investment and consumption expenditure is 50 crore and MPS is 0.2. Find the level, and the level of income is this. You have to find the AD. Okay. So first of all, you over here, what is given? Consumption expenditure is given, right? Plus, see over here they have given autonomous investment and consumption in expenditure. So if you will add both of this, what it will lead to? This, right? So if you will add it, what you will get? 290 crores. Okay. So and over here, what you have to find? You have to find X ante AD. So this is the formula. AD equals to C plus I. Okay. Now AD equals to C plus this, right? Plus autonomous investment. Okay, because you already know A is equals to C plus I, which is autonomous consumption plus autonomous investment expenditure. That is your A. Okay, and MPC is 1 minus MPS, which is 1 minus 0.2, 0.8 is the answer. You will just put it in value and you will get the answer. Clear? Yes, no?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Ma'am,
you will write.
ma'am,
Hmm.
how A equals? Okay,
A is
C
basically
bar.
yeah. A is basically component. Okay, so it is autonomous investment and consumption. So autonomous investment, that's why I is bar means autonomous, and consumption is also autonomous, so that's why C bar. Clear?
Yes.
So you can write it.
Ma'am, how do we know we have to apply C bar plus B bar?
Whenever you will be getting autonomous investment and autonomous consumption, then you have to apply C bar formula. In case if it is not given autonomous and all that, then you can apply the simple. Okay. Plus one more thing, when they are asking for X ante, right? In that case also you will apply this. Okay.
Yes. Done, ma'am.
Okay, Halima, done?
Done.
Okay. Now, next one is this. An economy is an equilibrium. Okay, it is equilibrium. So, equilibrium means your AD is equals to AS. Okay, AD is equals to AS or your S is equals to I. Right? So, from the following data about an economy, calculate autonomous consumption. So, again, you have to find the C bar. So, again, you will use that formula. So, your income is this. This is given. Income is your 5,000. Marginal propensity to save is 0.2. And investment expenditure is 800. Okay, so this is the formula. You know, income is equal to C plus I, right? But here they are talking about this economy following the autonomous consumption you have to find. So of course you will not apply this formula. You will apply C bar plus BY, okay, plus I. So your income is 5,000. Okay, C bar will remain C bar and BY is basically 0.8. You will find MPC. This B is basic. There is an issue with my writing bad nowadays. I don't know what. Okay. So now this BY. So along with C, it will be MPC. Right? So you will calculate for MPC. Your MPC is 0.8 because 1 minus 0.2 will be this. So you will write 0.8, which is MPC, and Y, you know, it is 5,000, plus I, you already know it is 5,000. Sorry, 800. Clear? Investment. Right? Got the
Yes.
point? I hope you are getting the formula, this formula. Over here, Y is income. C is your autonomous consumption, which you have to find. Plus B is basically MPC. See, for example, if you are talking S bar, okay, because income is somewhere S bar plus this, right? So at that time, that B will be your MPS. But here you are talking about consumption, so your B is MPC. And Y you already know, it's income, and I you already know this. So we'll just put the formula over here. From here, you will calculate bar C. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Write it down.
Done, ma'am. Done.
Okay. Now next, an economy is an equilibrium. So again, the same question. This is the thing. So from here, can you calculate this? Following data of an economy, calculate investment expenditure. Right? Same formula you have to. Over here, you are going to find this I. Can you do this, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? But the only drawback
Okay.
is wait. The only drawback is like they have just written here investment expenditure already. Right?
Oh,
So
yes.
yeah, so I'll just tell you what is the trick over here. See, this 100 they have written. This is not investment expenditure basically. This is your consumption, autonomous consumption. Okay, clear?
Yes.
So I hope now you can find
Okay.
it out, right?
Yes. Autonomous consumption mean that C bar.
Yes, C bar.
Okay.
Or they can even write consumption expenditure. But see, if they have asked you to calculate investment expenditure, so of course you will go for this only. Okay.
Is I 900?
Yes. Halima, you also got the same answer?
Yes, 900.
Yes. So it's very simple. Y equals to C plus I, but we are talking about autonomous, so we will go for this. So C, just you have to, but over here you have to, MPC is already given, so it's very easy. In some case, you will get MPS. So first of all, you have to calculate MPC, then you will put the value, and again you will get the answer. Okay. Now this one is important question. In an economy, an increase in investment. See, increase in investment means they have given you delta I. Delta I. Clear? Okay. They can give you increase in or change in whatever they will be giving. You have to calculate accordingly. So delta I is given, which lead to increase in national income by 100 crores. Okay. So your income is that's why this is delta Y. Your national income is increasing. So delta Y. You have to calculate MPC. Okay. Coming to the formulas, you have one formula over there. This one. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So what you can do from here, see, first of all, you will use this one. This formula you already have, right? Delta Y upon this one also over here. So you have delta Y. First of all, just tell which one. See, over here, you know that they are talking about K. Okay. So from here, you can use this formula. You have I as well as Y. So you will put the formula, you will get K, right? And you have to find MPC. So now you will use second formula. Now you have K, right? So you can find MPC. Yes. No, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, see, wait. Over here, first of all, you will use this formula. Okay, why? Because you have delta I and delta Y, right? With the help of this formula, you will find out K, right? Now you will use this formula. Now you have K, right? So you can find MPC from here. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that's why, first of all, you have to write given. So your given is delta I and delta Y. So with this, you got K. And then you'll just put in formula 1 minus MPC. Okay, that is like this will go here. So it is 10, 1 minus MPC equals to 1. So when you will solve it, it will be 10 minus 10 MPC, right? Because this 10 will be multiplied by 1 and then with MPC. So 10 MPC equals to 1. Now over here, it will be 10 MPC equals to 1 minus 10. Okay, like this, where MPC is basically 9 divided by 10. Yes, which is 0.9. Got the clearance? How they did it? Yes?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you will do it. This is very important question. Because over here, they are just checking with one question, they are checking your two formulas. So important.
Done, ma'am. Done.
Okay. Now coming to next one. See, over here, MPC is given and investment is given. Okay. So can you find, what do you have to find? You have to find a change in income. So can you do it?
Yes. This time.
Right? Yeah. Change in income, that means you have to find delta I. Sorry, delta Y. So see over here MPC is given. So just check your formula, which formula you can use where MPC is there. Okay. And changes investment is already given. Very simple question. Again, the same question which we did, but formulas we have to swipe. Okay. Change in investment is given. Delta I is given. You have to find change in income. Delta Y. So MPC is given. Very easy question. Just check your formula where MPC is given.
Mom is at 5,000.
Okay. Let's just check. Yes. Very good. Halima, you got the same answer?
No, some calculation I did.
Okay, let's just check it. See, first of all, MPC is given. So obviously you have one formula which is K equals to 1 upon MPC. So from here, it is 1 minus 0.8. So your 1.0.2. 1 upon 0.2. Now how you will solve this? Most of the students get confused over here. You will write 2 over here, multiply by 10. Why? Because it was 0.2. So over 0.2 means it is 2 upon 10. Right? So you will shift that 10 to here, multiply by 10. So your answer will be 5. Okay. And then you have to find change in income, which is delta I multiplied by K. So 1000 multiplied by 5. So this. Okay. You have the formula for change in income, right? This one. You going. So you have to find change in income. So to find change in income, what you will do? K multiplied by delta I. So you have K plus delta I. You will just put the value and get the answer. I think Halima, you did mistake over this there only, right? Here, this one, right?
Mom, yes, I did it in the other way. Like in
Other way.
K, in the K's place, I put delta Y by delta I.
But how? Okay, what formula you use?
The same only, but instead of K, I did delta Y by delta I.
Okay, okay, not an issue. Same thing. See, delta y upon delta I, right? So somewhere they will cut, and whatever you are getting for a, your this is the answer, right? So
Yes,
not
ma'am.
an issue
I
for
got
that
this
also.
answer.
Yeah, not an issue. Okay, so let's just do next question, which is this. I hope you can do this as well. Over here in economic, investment expenditure is income. So investment expenditure they are talking increased by. So that means what they have given to you, investment expenditure they have given, right? So increase in investment is happening. Okay, so delta I, over here MPC is given, you have to calculate increase in income, delta Y you have to calculate, and after that you have to find the consumption expenditure as well. Okay, so first find the two things. Okay, let me just explain you, you'll get confused by the way. Okay, so ma'am, what is this? See, in an economy, investment expenditure is increased by, so increased by means delta. Okay, and MPC is given, so from here you will first find K, because MPC is given, so your K is 10. Now you know to find the change in income, you just need to multiply them and you got this. Now you have to find total increase in consumption expenditure. Okay, so it is 0.9 of this, because this is consumption, okay, of a 7 this, right? This is your income, right? And out of this much 0.9% you, what you did, you consume. So 0.9 of 7,000. Getting the point? This one? Yes? No?
Um,
See, they are asking you how much expenditure you did. So, of course, whatever your income will be, from that only you will be, spending the money, right? So, how what is your total income? It is 7,000, right? So, now 0.9 of, because MPC is given. MPC is itself change in income, change in consumption, right? So 0.9 of 7,000. This was the total income, increase in income. So out of 7,000, 0.9 you consume. Okay. Maybe for example, if your product is for 2,000 rupees, I'll be getting 10% discount on it. So so I will be asking in return that okay, 10%, so how much? So you will do 10% of 2,000. So ma'am, this is 200. This is your
200.
discount. Similarly, 0.9. So 0.9 divided by 10. Okay, let's just remove this. Off means multiply, and 7,000 means this. Okay, so when you will solve it, you will get 6,300 crores. Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Okay, so that's why this is important, because most of the time student what they said how to find consumption expenditure, we don't have any formula. So if you have income, so whatever income you have, of course from there only you will consume na. So whatever MPC is given, in case if it is given MPS, so first of all you will calculate MPC and then you will use it here. Okay.
Ma'am, so the formula of total increase in income and consumption expenditure is ma'am, after
This
7,000, I got till 7,000. After that,
see, you have to find total increase in consumption expenditure. Okay, so there is no formula for that, right? Yes or
no,
no?
ma'am.
Right. So what you have to do, see, for example, if your salary is, your income is 1000 rupees, from this only you will consume, right?
Yes.
Yes. So MPC means additional, right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So what you said that, ma'am, this percent I consume. So 0.9 is given, right? So 0.9 of what? What is your income?
Mhm.
It is 7000. So that's why you did it in order to find consumption expenditure. Clear?
Okay, so in every question, if they ask this, we have to do
Yeah,
MPC and
yeah, MPC. Basically, the MPC is given. If not given, you have to find MPC first, right? And income, of course, if income is also not given, you have to find it in order to calculate this consumption expenditure, because consumption is totally dependent on what? Your income. Is zero, what you
yes.
will consume. So that's why like this.
Okay. Done, ma'am. Done.
Okay. Now the next one. See, as a result of increase in investment by 20 crore. So this is what? Increase in investment. Okay. National income increased by 100 crore. Find out MPC. Can you do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Do it. The last question. Then rest we'll be doing in next class.
0.8.
Okay, let's just check. Yes. So very easy. Over here, delta y was given, delta I was given. So first of all, you will find k, and with the help of k, you will find your MP. What do you have to find? You have to find MPC. Yes, Halima done.
Yes, ma'am. Same.
Okay. Mahdi, you are getting it? Okay. Now this one also, eighth one. Okay. So over here in an economy investment increase. So delta I is given by this. The value of multiplier K is given. You have to find MPCs. I guess the easiest again. Okay. And like just quickly do it. And I have one important information to share it with you. So I'll just share, do it, and after that.
Value of multiplier is k.
Is 4.
It's k.
Yeah, it's K. I hope everyone got confused, right? Is it? See, over here they have given investment increase, but it's of no use. Why? Because K is given. From here you have the direct formula. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So there is no use of this, right? I hope nobody was doing it in that way, taking